Hello viewers, welcome to Smart Tech. Viewers, right now in front of you Epson L3110 ink tank printer. I will give copy command. Okay, the issue is the printer is not taking the paper, it's giving paper jam. If I show you from here inside, as you can see, its feeder roller is rotating. You'll see it will rotate the feeder roller but not feeding the paper. Again, I will demonstrate. Feeder roller is trying to pick up the paper but it's not picking the paper. Today we will fix this paper jam. Stay with me, watch the complete video. We will clean this separation roller is down, and also the feeder roller we will clean it. I will show you how to clean. I take a small piece of hard board. It's a paper board actually. We will put this little piece of napkin cloth here, and you can use the water also. I will use this spray. Okay. Because this is a narrow path inside, I cannot insert my hand inside. So what I will do, I will take this inside. Okay. Now we will press the copy button. Okay, I will press the copy button. So it will clean the feeder roller. Okay, again. One time more, 2-3 times we will. Okay, see, third time more. This will clean both the separation roller and feeder roller, both will clean. Again, one time more, we will try. Okay, I show you. You can see it's a bit cleaned. Now we will check our paper and see either it's working or not. I will give the command again for copying. It's reading the paper now. And you can see now there is no paper. Just clean the feeder roller and it will suppose to fix the paper jam. I will check again one time more to make sure that it needs more cleaning or it's really fine. Hope you understand the method. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comments. I will reply the answers. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon.